The month's almost over. It's time to check to see what kind of airdrops we have going on in the Cosmos ecosystem. Let's take a look right now. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where we try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. Really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. I want to start out by giving my suggestions for maximizing your chances to get the most airdrops possible. I'm going to do a tweet later just to remind you I do have a Twitter account and I release stuff quicker on there. It's at the APY Guy. I'll have a link in the description of this video. I would go with at least 25 ATOM tokens. 50 would be better, definitely better. 50 JUNO, you could double that up and you definitely do better. 100 Osmo tokens, 100 EVMOS, 100 Akash, and 100 Kujira tokens. That would be my suggestion to start out to maximize your amount of airdrops that you can qualify for. One I forgot that I should probably add is 100 secret tokens. Secret does have a lot of airdrops, so I would definitely suggest if you're staking all of these, you might as well stake 100 secret as well to maximize your chances. Okay, we'll start by doing the possible airdrops, and then we'll go into the ones that are guaranteed, and then we'll go to the ones that are claimable last. Jade Protocol has some possibilities here. If we look, there's a article here showing the Great Hunt incentivized testnet, round 1 shade rewards. They kind of list this. It's January 27th through February 5th. So it's going on currently. Gives you a list of different things you can do to possibly get rewards of an airdrop. Round 1 reward, $6,000 in shade tokens. They just have a bunch of different things here. I'm not going to go through the whole article. You might want to get into their Discord to find out more opportunities for that. But on the protocol, I did see that you can bridge tokens. You can check for airdrop eligibility from previous airdrops. And then there's other ways that you can purchase bonds and that type of thing. I don't know all the details, so you might want to join their Discord to learn more about this. Before we get into the next one, if there's any airdrops I missed, please leave them in the comments so everybody can get that information. I do my best to try to find as many as possible, but I probably miss a few here and there. So the next one's Prism Protocol. And the way to get an airdrop from them is through staking your ATOM tokens. But if we go down here, it says airdrop eligibility. As a way to celebrate the opportunity, Prism is offering ATOM holders the ability to earn an airdrop by delegating to Prism's Cosmos Hub validator. This allows ATOM holders to support the development of Prism's Cosmos zone and puts the Prism airdrop in the hands of those who are actively choosing to receive it. It says snapshots will be taken weekly starting January 19th, which was last week. The weighted average of balances from the weekly snapshots will be used to determine the airdrop amount, which will be claimable after mainnet launch. The validator will have an introductory period with 0% commission, after which it will move to a market rate. So if you're interested in that, you have to delegate to this, to their hub, to their delegators, if you want to do that. I just want to point this out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or not. Next, we got RKO. It's a decentralized and indexed blockchain data for any chain. Much more coming soon, it says. So it looks like they're a storage for blockchains. And here's the eligibility page. It looks like Fox holders. I'm not sure what Fox is. I think it's on Thorchain. Then it says get the majority of the airdrop, but there's ATOM, Osmo, JUNO stakers. Then there's Osmosis LP stakers. I think there's a better chart. Here's the chart that I was looking at. Yeah, it shows Fox holders get 40%. Cosmos Zone delegators get 25. Thorchain and Osmos LPs get 12.5. And Cosmos and Thorchain validators get 10. And then incentivized testnet gets 12.5%. That looks like a cool one, as long as we're delegated to the right delegator. I guess there's going to be more information to follow. There's eligibility for RKO. Airdrop will be based on a rolling snapshot from November 22nd until 30 days prior to RKO mainnet launch, which could be as soon as Q1 of 2023. All right, moving on to another one, Harbor Protocol. I don't know if you guys, this was in my last video. Some people that are in the US are not able to claim it unless you have a VPN. I happen to have one. And when you go on their website, you can go to check eligibility, and then you check your wallet, and it tells you if you have it. So yeah, I get these, I guess. I don't think I can claim these yet. Maybe I can complete mission. I don't know. I think there's a bunch of different missions you can do to get more airdrops from this. I haven't done any of these yet. I went to vote on a protocol. There's not a protocol to vote on. So I might take a look at this later, but I've claimed 22 tokens so far. There's 88 unclaimed. I think I have to do missions to get those unclaimed ones. But they're not a guarantee. You have to do these certain missions to get to them. I think the first 20% were guaranteed. Harbor, now we're on to the last two, which actually are claimable. One of them is Wind DAO. If you go to airdrop.winddao.com, you go here and it'll tell you how many you are able to claim. I only get 0.894 wind tokens. I'm going to go ahead and claim them. Submit. Or claim it, or not even it. It's not even one full token. But it's something, so if you might have a lot more. So I just wanted to throw that out there and give you an option to be able to claim that. Successfully claimed, it says. So that's airdrop.winddao.com. Okay, this one's claimable. It's called DAO. There's a red and a blue token. I'm not sure exactly how it goes, but there's some type of staking thing where you have to stake a certain amount and then you get an airdrop. You got to go to, let's see, airdrops list of JUNO tools. It's juno.tools./airdrops. And currently we're able to claim the red DAO tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and claim those. I'm not sure this is a gamified type thing. I'm just going to go ahead and claim these and then stake them just to play along with the game, I guess. Then I'm going to want to add the token so I can see it. And then it's 99.85 red tokens. So I'm not exactly sure how this game's played. I don't want to take a bunch of time on it. If you do want more information on it, it's DAO is the Twitter account that you can find that information for it. Okay, one more I almost forgot is Quicksilver. That's the liquid staking protocol that I'm actually really excited about. This is one of the ones I'm really excited about. It looks like they have the app like ready to go. It hasn't quite launched yet. And then the airdrops that say coming soon. It says over 50% of the Genesis supply will be going to incentivizing the community and driving usage. Eligible stakers of chains onboarded on the protocol will receive airdrops upon the onboarding of said chains. This means that stakers of chains that do not exist yet will receive a quick QCK airdrop in the future. So this one I'm ready to get into. As soon as it launches, I'm going to get in that for sure. And then it looks like a pretty clean looking website. Okay, if you enjoy these Cosmos ecosystem airdrop videos, make sure you like the video. And if there's any I missed, please leave a comment and let me know what protocol it is, and I'll take a look at it for next time. I'm trying to do these every month. I didn't think I had enough information until today when I put it all together, and I had a lot of information because it's at least a 10-minute video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.